Sir, straight sir.
Right? I did now. Okay, I'm lighting the lamp now.
One second.
Thank you. Necessary for the function. I'm a member of the Group Executive Board from Mahindra & Mahindra. And on his left is Mr. YPS Vijay Kumar, who is the CEO of Mahindra First Choice Services. Without any further delay, I would request Sir to speak a few words.
Good morning and thank you very much for coming here. We are very proud that today we are inaugurating this outlet, which is the third outlet of Mahindra First Choice Services in Ambattur and the 16th outlet of Mahindra First Choice Services across the country. Multi-brand servicing is a space where there is huge demand. As the size of the car market expands, especially as cars keep going out of warranty, there is a great mismatch between the supply and demand for servicing. The demand is much more than the supply of organized multi-brand service centers. So it's a huge opportunity, and the overall vision of First Choice is to create a business ecosystem where the multi-brand used car and out-of-warranty car customers get an experience which is very similar to the experience that new car customers have in terms of sales, service, spares, financial instruments and exchange platform. So we see a very good growth for us. Today is the 16th outlet. 1 year from now, we should be around 50 plus outlets, and another year from then, we should cross 100 outlets. And 5 years from today, we should have close to 350 or 400 outlets. That is the current aspiration that we have, and we are reasonably certain, given the way that our new outlets are performing, that we will achieve this growth rate. With these few words, I wish to congratulate all the young men and women who have worked very hard to create this outlet. I wish to thank all of you who have taken the trouble to come here, and I hope that this service center will provide value for money, trust, and a very high level of service to all those people who come here. Thank you very much. Good luck and God bless.
Good morning everyone, and thank you very much for coming for this auspicious occasion. Basically, we have 2 outlets already in Chennai. This is the 3rd outlet we are opening. Main reason being the very good response we are getting from the customers at the 2 outlets that we are running currently, and we immediately felt the need for expansion. In fact, we will be coming up with more outlets in Chennai because the potential in Chennai is huge. And second thing that really worked well for us is that the customer satisfaction levels we have been able to maintain at a very high level, and the same thing we will continue to do even in in this particular outlet, because for us, we have to really try hard to get a customer to our place. So we generally keep his interests at the top of our mind and ensure that he goes back fully satisfied in terms of quality of service, or in terms of timely delivery, or even in terms of the value for money that he's going to get. So that is where we have a distinct advantage compared to the authorized dealers. Authorized dealers have their own captive customers. Customers go there within the warranty period, but the moment warranty period is over, the customer is actually looking for a very viable alternative where his cost of maintenance will be lower, but he gets the same kind of quality or even better kind of treatment which our kind of multi-brand organized service centers will provide. So we are foreseeing a great future for this organized service chain industry, and we ourselves will be expanding majorly. And once again, thank you very much for coming here, and congratulate the entire team for putting up such a wonderful.
Service cost of
typically authorized service center and local garage, there is a difference of 30 to 40%. But what we provide is very good infrastructure and trained manpower, good technology. So our prices will be less than that of authorized dealers. We give a lot of discounts, we give a lot of coupons, and also we have products like annual maintenance contracts. We have on-road assistance. These kind of programs also add a lot of value to the customer. So we are focusing more on giving fantastic quality to the customer. At the same time, our prices will be a little lower than the authorized dealer. I would say about 10 to 15% definitely yes, maybe a little more compared to high-end traffic.
Once you service free services,
we provide all kinds of services. All preventive maintenance service, PMS which is called, and also regular repairs which are there. And if there are any accidents, we have cashless facility also. We have tied up with several insurance companies. All those facilities are there. So whatever an authorized dealer can do, we will do it here. There is absolutely no difference.
Parts demands. So
see, that is where the advantage of being an organized service chain comes. Because we have already 15 outlets and we are also expanding majorly, we are able to tie it directly with OE space manufacturers. And then we will spare parts will not be an issue whatsoever for us. We have already tied up with a lot of space manufacturers. Yeah, we have tied up with a lot of space manufacturers, and we will be getting spare parts directly from them. There is no issue whatsoever.
Are we going to Mahindra and other brands?
See, this is a multi-brand. So not only Mahindra, but we service each and every brand, whether it is Mahindra, Maruti, Hyundai, any brand. We have no problem with the spare parts because spare parts we are taking from OEM only. Few spare parts which are difficult to find, we take from OEM. That means directly from Mahindra, directly from other manufacturers. But majority of the spare parts we are taking from these space manufacturers.
What about the old cars? What about the old cars?
Yeah, old cars also. Space manufacturers actually, who is supplying the space, who is manufacturing space, they are supplying to either OEM and then OEM is supplying those, or they are supplying directly to the market. So once the source is identified, once we have a good relationship with them, spare parts will not be an issue whatsoever. Yeah. The spare parts price, if you are taking from OEMs, actually they will be a little less.
Labor cost of the outside maintenance and our...
Yeah, labor also will be less because see, we have to attract customers by giving some advantage. So our labor rates will be less than authorized service center, at least by 10 to 15%. Currently they are around 20%, but going future we may increase because finally all this infrastructure comes at a cost. So first task is to provide very good quality service to the customer and also try to be a little less expensive than the authorized dealer, both for labor as well as papers.
Right?
All right.
Serviced here, and we will provide to customers an experience which we hope will be similar to the experience that new car customers get when they go to any authorized service center. So we will be very punctual. The quality of our services, the ability of our people to stand to commitments, and the quality of the spare parts will be of the highest order. We see the multi-brand service business as a huge area of growth for the organized sector, and we hope that our company in a year's time will have 50 plus outlets. In 2 years' time we will cross the 100 level, and 6 to 7 years from now we should be close to the 500 number, 500 outlets of Mahindra First Choice Services across the country.
Sir, Mahindra first service, any car service launched today. So how do you feel about it?
Sorry?
Today, first choice any car services launched today.
Yes.
So how do you feel about it?
Oh, we are very happy and very proud to be here in Ambattur, and already we have a large number of cars that have come for servicing. Although the service center has been formally inaugurated today, we already have a good feel here. Lots of people are coming, and I hope that we will be able to be of service to those people who are looking for trust, reliability, time commitment, and above all, total transparency in our dealings with them.